All right, same thing, fractions. Let's see here, 7. We got to get rid of that 7, don't we? So let's go ahead and multiply it out. The whole thing, let's put the 7 over here, 7 over 1. Okay, and that's going to become negative 7y equals 7 on the top, 7 on the bottom. Those cancel out. You're going to be left with just the 4. 7 on the top, 7 on the bottom, cancels out. You're going to be left with just the minus 8x. Alright, well, that's easier to work with. And now you have on the bottom, you have 0 equals 8 minus 10x plus 9y. Okay, so now we have that. I'm going to go ahead and rearrange it just like I did the other one. So remember, we want the x first, then the y, then equals the constant. So the negative 8x, bring them across, becomes a positive 8x. The minus 7y, it's already on the left, so I'm just going to go ahead and write it. Equals the constant. Alright, so now let's bring this guy over. Remember, the x goes first. So negative 10x becomes a positive 10x. And then bring the 9y over, becomes a minus 9y, and then you're left with the 8. So now you have that. And looks like we're gonna be dealt with the same problem, huh? Alright, so we're gonna have to multiply both. Alright, both equations. Looks like maybe I can go ahead and do these two here, get rid of the x's this time. So this one I'm probably multiplying by 10, and this guy I'm going to multiply by 8. But remember, I want one of them to simplify out. So in order to do that, one of them has to be negative. So let's go ahead and do that. Multiply by 10. 10 times 8 is 80. Minus 70y is equal to 40. And then negative 8 times 10, that's going to give me negative 80x. Negative 8 times negative 9, that's positive 72. Negative 8 times 8 is negative 64. Alright, so these guys simplify out. Negative 7 plus 72 is a positive 2. So that's helpful. And then 40 minus 64, what is that? Negative. Now remember, be careful here. A lot of students say, oh, 0 take away 4 is 4. No. Anytime you're subtracting, remember, you always want to put the bigger